Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to solve the 7th question in exercise 1.1. So the question is, there is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? So let's understand the problem. There is a circular field. Let's say this is a starting point. Both Sonia and Ravi, so I'm going to represent them as S and R, are starting from this particular point and they take different times to make one round. For the case of Sonia, she takes 18 minutes to make it for one round. So let me mark that as Sonia's time is going to be 18 minutes, whereas Ravi for this same distance takes only 12 minutes. So let's understand the logic. So one round when Sonia makes, it's 18 minutes. Whereas if Ravi would have finished the whole process in 12 minutes itself. So by the time Sonia has finished one round, Ravi has started the second round and carried some distance off. So the question is, after how many minutes will these two people meet together? So for these questions, you need to calculate the LCM of the two numbers. Why? Because each of them are traveling at a different speed. So the number of rounds for each person may differ, but the amount of time after which they have to meet should be the same. So in this case, we will take the LCM between these two numbers, 18 and 12. Remember, for all questions wherein two people are going to start, sometimes the problem could be two bulbs blink at after different times. So after how many minutes or hours they will blink back again. So for all such questions, we will be calculating the LCM of the input numbers. So now we are going to calculate LCM of 18 and 12. So let's calculate. Both are even numbers. So start with 2, 9, 6. So move on to 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, again 2, 1, 1. So now I need to calculate the LCM. LCM is going to be equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. So 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. So 6 into 6, 36. So after 36 minutes, both of them will meet. Now let's find out. After 36 minutes, Sonia would have made 2 rounds. So how did we compute that? 36 divided by 18. So Sonia would have computed or ran 2 rounds, whereas Ravi would have done 36 by 12. So 3 rounds. So now you can feel the difference between the number of rounds that each people had gone in. So for such numericals, simply calculate the LCM. I'm going to take this same unit here and place it in the value. So Sonia and Ravi will meet each other after 36 minutes from their starting time. In the next video, we will start solving numericals from exercise 1.2. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.